let's see what we do here on these news. So, we do a countdown first. Oh gosh, let me set up my camera. Yeah, on my back. Give me 1 second. Let's see. Then I will show you guys what we have been talking about and kind of what we talked about on stream yesterday as well. All right. Device is paired. All right. What's up, y'all? Close my drawer. Cool. So what do we have here, right? We have this little trend line right here on the hourly time frame. So that's what we were watching. This level is still very relevant. That was the OTE of that previous daily range. I believe that's what we put right there. That's why that is still relevant. So let me maybe play some music. It's not going to be on desktop audio, but play some jams. Just a little something. But yeah, so far we're kind of holding this area, right? We would want to see below 2301.25 if we want to continue to the downside. Kind of this area has been up and down, up and down. This fair value gap. All right, and then also this little semi-candle right there. So far, the reaction to the news looks like we want to bounce that, right? I want to see what we have on the 4 hour here. 4 hour, similar thing, right? A little chop, sell, grind up, a little chop, sell. So maybe we'll see another grind up today, right? Likely. All the liquidity that we have below is all of those. Otherwise, we're staying pretty balanced. All right. It's kind of almost making that descending triangle, right? We have this top right here that lines up with both of the highs right there. So we would want to see what it does right there. Right. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you guys have any questions, please ask away. I mean, put them in the chat wherever you're watching from. Oh, big stretches again, y'all. So you see how we're bouncing right now, right here? So we want to see the previous week low is still kind of our key area. If we can't necessarily have a huge displacement above it and hold above it, I don't see upside. This 15-minute fair value gap, if we displace that, can be our inverse fair value gap. So we'll want to see how that plays out. All right, if we come up close above it. If we are repeating the same cycle, then what you will want to see is this fair value gap become an inverse fair value gap, right? And then we break out of it and break through it, retest it, go higher. That's if we're continuing up. If we are doing the same thing that we have been doing for the past week, right? Grind, chop, sell, go up, grind, sell, go up, grind, sell. So go up. Right? That's our next theoretical move here. Let's see if we get it. try longs on this. Hold up, let me switch my trade away. Let me switch over to a quick account just so I can show you guys. So theoretically, you can do this, right? The stop right here. You want this to be a stop, right? So that is what you want to see. That's a little premature because we're not sure what this is going to do yet, right? This 15-minute, we still have 10 minutes in that 15-minute. But that's kind of that's the idea of that trade. That's the idea behind it. You want to see it do that and then possibly come over here. This London Asian session highs are still left up top right there. It's a little sneaky. Now that's something that we want to know. Okay, Asian session highs are still left up top. Cool, that's the liquidity target. Typing up a little message for those in Discord. That's what we were working with. I can take some off over here. All right, because this could outside this hour right here. See, but we will watch this 15-minute because the next 15-minute should theoretically dip into it so we can get another entry or add to our entry pyramid in. See what they're doing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin rejecting that 200 right there. See how our trend is. Did that not save? Did that not save? What the heck? Did that not save? Let's see if that. We have this line that we can come up and just you can see how we rejected that overnight. That's solid. Right, so that's our little indicator right there. Lagging indicator, but hey, right, that's just for bias. Helps you with bias. Above the line, we're staying up. Below the line, we're staying down. Bitcoin not looking too great. See what else we got. Jupe, that's our kind of favorite trade. That's also staying down below the 50 on the 4. Doge is decent. It's probably better. Kind of got a little bit of a W setting up too. Bouncing on this zone right here. So let's see if it can break above this weekly open. Then it's kind of clear skies above that, right? Otherwise, it's continued sell. But over here, we're just going to keep watching this, keep monitoring it. Consider order. Just sell limit right there. Right. Be a solid trade. But we'll wait. We'll see. We'll see what we do. Here. Let's keep monitoring it. other than that, considering we're pretty much in the same range, we're gonna keep the same lines here. Right, this 4-hour fair value gap is still valid. Keep rejecting it. If we get above it, then we get clear skies. We want to see displacement through it. After that, we can come up, retest these equals highs, retest these relative equal highs as well. This level keeps rejecting. Right, that's a retest of this one over here. So that keeps rejecting. That line keeps holding us down. This level keeps rejecting. That's that previous low as well, broken. So next area of rejection will be up here if we do pump up. Just something that we want to stay aware of. So you can look at it retracing into the fair value gap, or you can throw a fib on it right here. See if it wants to come up, test the 618 of it. -3 lines up pretty well right there. -2618, -1618 lines up with these liquidities. -4 above those highs, -5 above that high too. So those are all solid. So let's see if we get that little move. Otherwise, I think that's gonna be it for today's stream. If you guys are not part of the community, I suggest you join www.papertraders.io. Awesome community. We got amazing traders in there. Follow Hazed Beats on Twitter. Follow Big Timmy Hedge. Learn a lot from that man. Learned a lot for both of those guys. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, make sure to ask them. If you follow the link in Timmy's description, it's going to give you a nice discount on the monthly subscription. Otherwise, also follow at the Paper Traders. We're always posting little giveaways on there. Not always, but here and there you'll see a little giveaway on it. So make sure you give that a follow. But other than that, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. If you're just tuning in, make sure you rewind all the way back. Just see what we outlined. See how what we did on this stream so far. Short little stream, but I mean, when we're in the range, it's kind of as expected. All the levels are playing the same, right? We're looking for the same reactions. If we're on a long, you can add over here, possibly. All right. But right here, if we retrace, change that to 4. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys. Appreciate you.